Now, castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever it goes, it starts breaking up lumps, bumps, congestion, and adhesions. It even has the potential to dissolve a bone spur. If that bone spur has been sitting there for 3 years, it might take 3 months to fully resolve. If it's been there 3 months, maybe 3 weeks. If it's only been there 3 weeks, you could see results in 3 days. The time frame depends entirely on how long the problem has existed. But the key is that castor oil works at a deeper level than most people ever realize. Today, we're talking about something truly remarkable, a simple, natural remedy that can influence over 19 different health issues. And the best part? It's made with just 2 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen right now: castor oil and baking soda. You might be wondering, how can something this simple possibly be so effective? Well, after decades of studying natural remedies, I can tell you that nature often provides exactly what the body needs, sometimes in ways modern medicine overlooks. Castor oil and baking soda are a perfect illustration of this principle. Both ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional healing. Individually, they're beneficial, but together, they form a synergy that supports everything from joint and muscle pain to skin health, digestive wellness, circulation, and even lymphatic detox. They can address issues that many people have struggled with for years, and sometimes even decades. In today's guide, we're going to dive deep into how this blend works, why it's so effective, and how to use it safely. We'll also cover some scenarios where caution is required. If you've been wrestling with a persistent health problem, this may be the simple, natural solution you've been searching for. Now, let's talk about the benefits in detail. Why castor oil and baking soda are so powerful together. Castor oil is unique because it's rich in ricinoleic acid, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. This makes it ideal for supporting your body's natural healing processes. Historically, it's been used to nourish and rejuvenate tissues, soften hardened areas, and promote circulation in the skin and deeper tissues. Its ability to penetrate deeply into the body's layers is what sets it apart from other oils. Baking soda, on the other hand, is an alkaline compound with a simple but extraordinary ability to neutralize acidity. It calms inflammation and supports your body in maintaining a healthy pH balance. In today's environment, where diet, stress, and exposure to toxins often create chronic inflammation, baking soda can act as a reset, helping your body restore balance and functionality. When combined, these 2 ingredients create a natural remedy that's surprisingly versatile. This is not just a home remedy, it's a strategic approach to supporting multiple systems in your body. Together, castor oil and baking soda can support skin health and accelerate healing, reduce joint and muscle pain, promote circulation and lymphatic drainage, aid digestion and relieve bloating, assist the body in detoxification, and there's more. The effects are cumulative, meaning consistent use can lead to increasingly noticeable improvements over time. This is particularly important for people over 60, when tissues are naturally less resilient and healing can slow down. Skin health and healing. One of the most noticeable benefits of this combination is its effect on the skin. Castor oil is incredibly moisturizing and rich in fatty acids that improve elasticity. It helps restore the skin's natural barrier, reducing dryness and irritation. If you have stretch marks, scars, or small cuts, castor oil can help these areas heal more efficiently. Over time, it can even stimulate collagen production, which is the key protein that keeps skin firm and youthful. Collagen synthesis slows with age, which is why aging skin tends to sag and wrinkle. Castor oil can counteract this process, making skin look smoother and healthier. Baking soda adds an additional benefit when applied with castor oil. Its gentle exfoliating action removes dead skin cells, revealing fresh, healthy cells underneath. This accelerates skin renewal and amplifies the benefits of castor oil. Together, they not only heal and moisturize, but also rejuvenate skin texture over time. Additionally, both castor oil and baking soda have antimicrobial properties. This means they can protect minor wounds from infection while supporting faster healing. For anyone over 60, when even small cuts can take longer to heal, this property is particularly valuable. How to use for skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to create a smooth paste. Apply it to the affected area, whether it's dry skin a scar, or a minor wound, and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water. Over time, repeated use can noticeably improve skin tone, texture, and overall health. This simple combination exemplifies how two humble ingredients, thoughtfully combined, can create powerful support for your body's well-being. Natural relief for joint and muscle pain. Many people over 60 experience joint stiffness, arthritis, or muscle soreness. While it's tempting to rely on over-the-counter painkillers, these only mask symptoms, they don't address the underlying cause. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, can penetrate deeply into inflamed tissues, reducing swelling and alleviating pain. It soothes affected areas, helping your body heal naturally. Baking soda enhances this effect by improving local circulation. Better blood flow means the castor oil can penetrate deeper, delivering its anti-inflammatory benefits directly where they're needed most. For chronic conditions like arthritis or post-exercise soreness, this combination can be transformative. How to use for pain relief. Combine equal parts castor oil and baking soda to form a paste. Massage it gently into the painful area. For added benefit, place a warm cloth over the treated area for about 30 minutes. The warmth enhances absorption and provides a comforting sensation. Regular use can reduce pain and promote relaxation, making it a natural addition to your self-care routine. Boosting circulation and lymphatic health. Circulation and lymphatic drainage naturally decline with age, which can contribute to fatigue, swelling, and slower healing. Castor oil and baking soda together can stimulate blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage. Proper circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells while removing waste products, supporting overall vitality. Enhanced lymphatic function helps the body eliminate toxins more efficiently, improving energy and immune function. How to use for circulation and lymphatic support. Massage a blend of castor oil and baking soda over lymph node areas, such as under the arms and in the groin. Use gentle circular motions, focusing on the flow of lymph. This daily practice helps reduce swelling, support detoxification, and enhance overall energy levels. For people over 60, this can make a significant difference in daily comfort and well-being, relieving digestive discomfort and bloating. Digestive issues become more common with age. Castor oil has long been recognized as a natural aid for digestion and easing constipation. Baking soda complements this by neutralizing excess acidity, reducing bloating, and calming discomfort. When used together, they create a gentle but effective remedy that supports healthy digestion. As we continue, it's important to emphasize that the power of castor oil and baking soda isn't just about isolated benefits. It's about how these effects work together to support your entire body. Over 60, your digestive system, immune response, and overall energy levels can start to decline subtly, often without obvious symptoms, until they begin to interfere with your daily life. That's where this simple remedy shines, because it addresses multiple systems at once, helping your body function more efficiently and naturally. Digestive support and bloating relief. Digestive discomfort is more than just an occasional inconvenience. Over time, poor digestion can lead to nutrient deficiencies, inflammation, and general fatigue. Castor oil has long been celebrated as a natural promoter of healthy digestion. It helps stimulate bowel movements gently, easing constipation without harsh laxatives. Unlike pharmaceutical alternatives, it doesn't cause cramping or dependency. Instead, it nourishes the digestive tract while encouraging smooth, regular function. Baking soda complements this by neutralizing excess stomach acid. Many adults over 60 struggle with acid reflux or bloating, and chronic acidity can irritate the stomach lining, leading to long-term discomfort. By combining baking soda with castor oil, you create a balance reducing acidity while supporting natural bowel function. This combination can relieve bloating, gas, and discomfort more effectively than either ingredient on its own. To use this blend for digestive support, mix a teaspoon of baking soda into a tablespoon of castor oil. Take it on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Start slowly to see how your body responds, especially if you've never used castor oil internally before. Over time, this practice can restore more comfortable digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce bloating that can interfere with your daily activities. Chronic inflammation and joint stiffness. Inflammation is the root cause of many age-related conditions, from arthritis to cardiovascular strain. Unlike acute inflammation, which is a protective response to injury, Chronic inflammation quietly damages tissues, breaks down joints, and contributes to fatigue and stiffness. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid provides potent anti-inflammatory effects. It penetrates deeply into inflamed tissues, reducing swelling and soothing discomfort naturally. Baking soda further enhances this effect systemically. Its alkalizing properties help neutralize the acidic environment that fuels chronic inflammation. Many people over 60 live with slightly elevated acidity due to diet, medications, or metabolic changes. This acidity can make tissues more prone to stiffness, pain, and delayed healing. By incorporating baking soda into the mix, you help create an internal environment where inflammation is less likely to persist. For joint and muscle support, the same topical approach used for pain relief works effectively. Apply a paste of castor oil and baking soda to affected joints, and cover with a warm cloth for enhanced absorption. The combination improves mobility over time, reduces discomfort, and can make daily tasks easier, whether it's climbing stairs, gardening, or just walking comfortably. Consistent use may restore a surprising level of ease in movement. Immune system support. The immune system naturally weakens with age, making it harder to fight off infections and recover from illness. Both castor oil and baking soda support immune health in complementary ways. Castor oil contains antiviral and antimicrobial compounds that protect the body when applied topically or absorbed in small quantities. Its deep tissue penetration supports lymphatic function, which is critical for immune response. Baking soda contributes by creating a balanced internal environment. Immune cells operate best in a slightly alkaline medium, and chronic acidity can hinder their effectiveness. By neutralizing excess acid, baking soda indirectly boosts the efficiency of your body's defenses. Combined, these two ingredients create a simple yet powerful natural system for enhancing immunity, which is especially important for adults over 60 who may experience slower recovery times. Daily routine for maximum benefits. Consistency is key when using natural remedies, especially for those over 60. While castor oil and baking soda work effectively on their own, incorporating them into a daily routine ensures you get cumulative benefits across multiple body systems. Here's an example of a daily schedule that maximizes the impact of this blend. Morning. Digestive support. Take a mixture of 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 teaspoon baking soda on an empty stomach to support bowel regularity and reduce bloating. Follow with a glass of warm water. Midday. Topical skin or joint application. Apply a small amount of the paste to dry skin, scars, minor cuts, or sore joints. Allow it to sit for 15-30 minutes before rinsing. This helps maintain skin health and reduces localized inflammation. Evening. Circulation and lymphatic support. Massage castor oil and baking soda onto lymph node areas, such as under the arms, in the groin, or along the sides of the torso. Focus on gentle circular motions. Spend 5-10 minutes on this practice to promote detoxification, improve circulation, and energize the body overnight. Addressing stubborn health problems. For older adults, lingering or stubborn health issues often seem resistant to treatment. Chronic joint stiffness, scar tissue, recurring digestive discomfort, or low energy levels can persist despite medications and lifestyle changes. What makes the castor oil and baking soda combination unique is its ability to address the root of the problem rather than masking symptoms. For example, hardened tissue or adhesions from old injuries can be softened with topical application. The oil penetrates deeply, and the baking soda helps reduce localized inflammation. Over time, this can restore mobility, reduce discomfort, and even dissolve long-standing issues like minor calcifications or bone spurs. Similarly, digestive complaints that resist diet changes or probiotics may respond to this combination. The dual action of castor oil as a gentle stimulator of bowel function and baking soda as an acid neutralizer addresses the mechanical and chemical aspects of digestive health simultaneously. Supporting cardiovascular health. Healthy circulation is critical as we age. Reduced blood flow contributes to fatigue, cold extremities, and slower recovery from exercise or illness. By improving circulation and supporting lymphatic drainage, castor oil and baking soda indirectly protect cardiovascular health. Proper circulation ensures oxygen and nutrients reach tissues efficiently, while toxins and metabolic waste are removed promptly. Regular massage with this blend over key circulation points such as arms, legs, and torso can help maintain vascular flexibility and promote a sense of vitality. Over time, this contributes to heart health, endurance, and overall energy levels. Addressing skin aging naturally. Aging skin is more prone to dryness, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. Castor oil directly addresses these concerns with deep moisturization and collagen support. Baking soda enhances this by exfoliating gently, removing dead cells and revealing fresh tissue underneath. For people over 60, this natural approach can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, restore softness, and improve skin tone without expensive creams or harsh chemicals. The dual effect also promotes healing of minor cuts, bruises, and blemishes, which tend to take longer to recover as we age. With consistent application, skin appears more resilient and youthful, supporting confidence and overall well-being. Energy and vitality boost. Chronic fatigue is a common complaint among older adults. Many factors contribute to low energy, including inflammation, sluggish circulation, poor digestion, and toxin accumulation. Castor oil and baking soda address each of these areas simultaneously. By reducing inflammation, improving lymphatic flow, supporting digestion, and enhancing circulation, the body functions more efficiently. The result is a noticeable boost in energy levels, improved endurance for daily activities, and a general feeling of vitality. Why over 60 benefits the most? Adults over 60 often face compounded health challenges: slower metabolism, reduced tissue elasticity, chronic inflammation, digestive changes, and less efficient immune responses. What makes this remedy remarkable is its versatility. It targets multiple age-related concerns simultaneously, providing benefits that are rarely achieved with a single conventional medication. Joint health reduces stiffness and promotes mobility. Skin rejuvenation moisturizes, stimulates collagen, and supports healing. Digestive support eases constipation, bloating, and acid imbalance. Immune support enhances lymphatic function and antimicrobial protection. Circulation improves oxygen delivery, toxin removal, and energy levels. Even if you've tried multiple remedies over the years with limited success, incorporating castor oil and baking soda can create noticeable improvements over time, thanks to its holistic, systemic approach. Comment prompt for engagement. If you've ever tried a natural remedy that truly changed your health, or if you're curious to see how this simple blend could make a difference in your life, drop a comment below. Sharing your experiences helps others in the community discover practical, effective solutions and encourages discussion about natural wellness strategies that are often overlooked. Parting note for part 2. By now, it's clear that castor oil and baking soda are far more than kitchen staples. Together, they form a powerful, multifunctional remedy that can transform health outcomes for adults over 60. Whether your goal is reducing inflammation, improving digestion, supporting circulation, or maintaining skin health, this combination offers a natural, low-cost, and accessible solution. In Part 3, we'll explore advanced applications of this blend, including targeted strategies for chronic conditions, step-by-step routines for maximum results, and real-life success stories that demonstrate how transformative this simple remedy can be. As we continue exploring the remarkable benefits of castor oil and baking soda, it's time to discuss advanced applications that go beyond basic wellness. For adults over 60, health challenges often accumulate over decades. And while standard remedies can provide temporary relief, they rarely address the underlying causes. This is where castor oil and baking soda truly shine. They don't just mask symptoms. They promote systemic balance and healing. Targeted relief for chronic conditions. Many people over 60 struggle with chronic conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, recurring digestive disorders, or persistent skin issues. Each of these conditions is influenced by inflammation, impaired circulation, toxin buildup, and reduced tissue repair capacity. Castor oil and baking soda work synergistically to target these root causes. 1. Arthritis and joint pain. Chronic joint pain, stiffness, and swelling can significantly reduce quality of life. Topical application of castor oil mixed with baking soda penetrates deeply into affected tissues. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil reduces inflammation directly at the site, while baking soda improves local circulation, allowing the oil to work more effectively. To use this blend for arthritis relief, mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda into a smooth paste. Apply to the joints, then cover with a warm cloth for 20–30 minutes. Repeat daily for persistent stiffness. Over time, you may notice improved mobility, reduced swelling, and less discomfort, making daily activities like climbing stairs, gardening, or walking easier. 2. Fibromyalgia and muscle tension. Fibromyalgia often causes chronic pain, muscle tension, and fatigue. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, combined with baking soda's circulation-enhancing effects, help relax tense muscles and improve blood flow. Applying the paste to sore areas and massaging gently can ease discomfort. Covering with warmth further enhances absorption, helping muscles relax and reducing overall tension. 3. Scar tissue and adhesions. Scars, adhesions, and hardened tissue from past injuries or surgeries can limit mobility and create discomfort. Castor oil penetrates deeply, softening hardened tissue, while baking soda gently exfoliates and improves local pH balance. Regular application over several weeks can reduce scar thickness, improve skin elasticity, and restore mobility in affected areas. Advanced digestive applications. Digestive complaints often intensify with age. Chronic constipation, bloating, and acid reflux are common issues for adults over 60. Castor oil stimulates bowel movements gently, while baking soda neutralizes excess stomach acid, reducing irritation and bloating. Together, they provide a natural solution for digestive balance. For persistent digestive discomfort, take the blend on an empty stomach in the morning. Start with 1 tablespoon of castor oil mixed with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Monitor your body's response and adjust gradually. Over time, this can improve regularity, reduce bloating, and enhance nutrient absorption, contributing to overall energy and vitality. Boosting circulation and detoxification. Aging can slow circulation and lymphatic flow, leading to fatigue, swelling, and slower recovery from minor injuries. Daily massage with castor oil and baking soda improves blood flow, stimulates lymphatic drainage, and supports detoxification. This is especially beneficial for adults over 60, as it helps remove toxins that contribute to fatigue, inflammation, and stiffness. For lymphatic support, focus on areas with concentrated lymph nodes, such as under the arms, along the torso, and in the groin. Use gentle, circular motions for 5–10 minutes daily. Over time, this improves fluid movement, reduces swelling, and supports a natural energy boost. Skin health and anti-aging benefits. Aging skin is often thinner, drier, and slower to heal. Castor oil provides deep moisturization, stimulates collagen production, and promotes cell regeneration. Baking soda helps exfoliate dead cells, revealing fresh tissue underneath and enhancing the effects of castor oil. Together, they can reduce fine lines, improve elasticity, and support the skin's natural barrier function. This combination is particularly effective for people over 60 because it addresses multiple aging-related skin concerns simultaneously. Regular use can result in smoother, firmer, and healthier-looking skin without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Combining topical and internal use for maximum impact. To maximize the benefits of castor oil and baking soda, it's often helpful to combine topical application with internal use. Topically, you target joints, muscles, scars, and skin directly. Internally, the blend supports digestion, reduces systemic inflammation, and balances internal pH. Here's a practical daily routine for advanced users. Morning. Take 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda on an empty stomach for digestive support. Follow with warm water to encourage smooth bowel movements and reduce bloating. Midday. Apply the paste to sore joints, muscle tension areas, or scars. Cover with a warm cloth for 20–30 minutes to enhance absorption. Repeat as needed for chronic pain or stiffness. Evening. Massage castor oil and baking soda onto lymph node areas and along circulation pathways. Focus on gentle, circular motions for 5–10 minutes. This promotes detoxification, enhances energy, and supports immune function. Supporting immune health and recovery. As the body ages, immune function declines, making recovery from illness slower. Castor oil supports lymphatic health and contains antimicrobial compounds that protect against minor infections. Baking soda helps maintain an internal environment that allows immune cells to function efficiently. Together, they provide a simple, natural way to enhance immune resilience. Daily incorporation of this blend can help reduce the frequency of minor illnesses, improve recovery time, and support overall health. Over time, people over 60 may notice improved resistance to infections and better overall vitality. Real-life success stories. Many people over 60 have shared transformative experiences with this remedy. Joint pain relief. One user with long-standing knee arthritis reported reduced swelling and improved mobility after 3 weeks of daily topical application. Walking, climbing stairs, and gardening became less painful, demonstrating the deep tissue benefits of castor oil combined with baking soda. Digestive improvement. A retired teacher struggled with chronic bloating and constipation. After incorporating the morning dose of castor oil and baking soda, bowel regularity improved within days, bloating decreased, and energy levels rose noticeably. Skin rejuvenation. A woman over 65 noticed a visible reduction in fine lines and improved skin firmness after using a nightly topical application of castor oil and baking soda on her face and hands. Over several months, her skin appeared healthier and more youthful. These examples highlight the versatility of this simple remedy and its ability to support multiple aspects of health, especially for adults over 60. Customizing your routine. Every individual is unique, so it's important to adjust the frequency, dosage, and areas of application according to your body's needs. Start slowly and observe how your body responds. For digestive support, take the internal blend every other day initially. For joint pain or skin concerns, apply topically once a day and increase frequency gradually as tolerance improves. For persistent chronic conditions, daily consistency is key. The cumulative effect of regular use amplifies the benefits, allowing the remedy to reach deeper tissues, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and restore balance across multiple systems. Precautions and considerations. While castor oil and baking soda are natural, it's important to use them responsibly, particularly internally. Start with small doses to gauge tolerance. Avoid excessive internal use, as castor oil can cause cramping or diarrhea if taken in large amounts. Pregnant women should consult a healthcare professional before use. People with certain medical conditions, including severe kidney or liver issues, should check with a doctor before starting internal use. Topically, allergic reactions are rare, but it's always wise to test a small patch of skin before applying the paste to larger areas. Combining with other healthy habits. To amplify the benefits of castor oil and baking soda, combine them with other natural health practices. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to support digestion, circulation, and lymphatic function. Movement. Gentle exercises like walking, stretching, or yoga complement the pain-relieving and circulation-boosting effects of this blend. Nutrition. A balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods enhances the internal benefits. Foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, and seeds can work synergistically with castor oil and baking soda. Rest. Adequate sleep supports tissue repair and immune function, allowing the remedy to work more effectively. Comment prompt for engagement. If you've been struggling with chronic pain, digestive discomfort, or signs of aging, share your story below. How might this simple remedy fit into your routine? Have you tried castor oil or baking soda before? Or is this your first time learning about their combined benefits? Commenting helps build a community where experiences and insights are shared, and practical solutions are discovered. Conclusion for Part 3. By now, it's clear that castor oil and baking soda are far more than simple household ingredients. They are powerful tools for supporting health and vitality, especially for adults over 60. From chronic joint pain and digestive issues to skin health, circulation, and immune support, the combined effects of these two natural ingredients can transform daily wellness routines. In Part 4, we'll explore advanced strategies for chronic inflammation, step-by-step guides for full-body applications, tips for maximizing absorption, and additional ways to integrate this remedy into your lifestyle for long-term health transformation. As we reach the final part of this guide, it's time to focus on advanced strategies and full-body applications of castor oil and baking soda, designed to maximize benefits for adults over 60. By now, you understand the powerful effects this combination can have on skin, joints, digestion, circulation, and immunity. Part 4 is about integrating these practices into a comprehensive daily routine that supports long-term health and vitality. Advanced full-body applications, joint and muscle recovery. For chronic pain, stiffness, or post-exercise soreness, a full-body approach enhances results. Start by creating a paste of castor oil and baking soda, then target multiple areas sequentially: knees, elbows, shoulders, lower back, and neck. Apply the paste, then cover each area with a warm cloth for 20–30 minutes. The warmth increases absorption, improves circulation, and promotes deep tissue healing. Consistency is key. Repeated use over weeks allows the blend to penetrate connective tissues, reduce inflammation, and improve mobility. For those with arthritis or long-term joint issues, this daily practice can reduce reliance on over-the-counter painkillers. Lymphatic drainage and detoxification. Aging often slows lymphatic flow, which can lead to swelling, toxin buildup, and fatigue. Full-body massage, using castor oil and baking soda, enhances lymphatic drainage. Focus on lymph node clusters underarms, groin, and sides of the torso. Use gentle, circular motions for 5–10 minutes, moving fluid toward the core. Regular practice supports detoxification, reduces swelling, and improves overall energy. For people over 60, enhanced lymphatic function also boosts immunity, helping the body respond more effectively to infections or environmental stressors. Skin rejuvenation and scar healing. Apply the blend to areas prone to dryness, wrinkles, or scarring. For maximum benefits, include larger areas like the arms, legs, and torso. Massage gently until absorbed. Overnight applications work especially well, allowing the oil to penetrate while the skin rests. Over time, collagen production increases, elasticity improves, and minor scars or blemishes fade, combining internal and external use. For full-body wellness, pair topical applications with internal consumption. A morning dose of 1 tablespoon castor oil mixed with 1 teaspoon baking soda supports digestion, reduces bloating, and helps maintain pH balance. Follow with a glass of warm water to aid absorption. This dual approach addresses both external and internal systems simultaneously. Topical: joint pain relief, skin rejuvenation, and muscle recovery. Internal: digestive support, systemic inflammation reduction, and enhanced immunity. Tips for maximizing absorption and effectiveness. Warmth: use warm compresses over treated areas to increase oil penetration. Massage: gentle circular motions enhance blood flow and lymphatic movement. Consistency: daily practice ensures cumulative benefits, particularly for chronic conditions. Hydration: adequate water intake supports circulation, digestion, and detoxification. Balanced diet: complement the remedy with anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, and nuts. Addressing chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often the hidden cause behind fatigue, joint pain, and slowed healing. Castor oil penetrates deeply into inflamed tissues, while baking soda helps neutralize internal acidity. Together, they reduce inflammatory markers systemically and locally. For stubborn inflammation, a combination of internal use in the morning and topical application in the evening can accelerate improvement. Long-term strategy for adults over 60. For sustained benefits, integrate castor oil and baking soda into a daily or alternate day regimen. Morning: internal use for digestion and systemic inflammation. Midday or afternoon: targeted topical application on joints, muscles, or skin. Evening: lymphatic massage and full-body skincare to support detoxification and repair overnight. This structured approach ensures your body receives comprehensive support internally, externally, and at the cellular level. Over weeks and months, you can experience enhanced mobility, healthier skin, improved digestion, boosted immunity, and increased energy. Common questions and clarifications. Can it be used every day? Yes, but monitor your body's response, especially for internal use. Start gradually. Are there side effects? Topical application is safe for most people. Internal use in large doses may cause cramping or diarrhea. Pregnant women or those with medical conditions should consult a doctor. How long before results are noticeable? Some benefits, like reduced bloating or pain relief, may appear in days. Skin improvements, scar reduction, and deeper healing typically take weeks of consistent use. Final encouragement. For anyone over 60, castor oil and baking soda offer a simple, natural way to reclaim vitality. This isn't a quick fix, it's a long-term wellness strategy that addresses multiple systems simultaneously. Whether your goal is reducing joint pain, improving digestion, rejuvenating skin, boosting circulation, or supporting immunity, this blend can be transformative. Remember, natural remedies like this work best with consistency, patience, and integration into a healthy lifestyle. By combining topical and internal use, along with hydration, movement, and nutrition, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best, even as you age. Call to action. If you've tried castor oil and baking soda before, or if you're ready to experience the benefits for yourself, comment below. Share your experiences, questions, or results. By engaging with the community, you can help others discover a natural, effective approach to health and wellness that truly changes everything after 60. Thank you for watching this video. Click here to watch another video that might interest you.